Hello! This tutorial will show you how to manually change user information in Wixie. To begin, log into the administrator account provided to you by Tech for Learning and click the Accounts tab in the green bar on top. Be sure Manually is selected in the box on the left. Select the Students or Teachers buttons at the top depending on the user information you need to edit. Once you are at the Students or Teachers user page, browse or use the search tool to find the specific student's account you need to edit. Select the box next to the user account you want to change. Then select the three dots in the upper right and select Edit. To edit the user information, simply click inside the field you need to change, make your edits, and click the brown check mark in the upper right corner to save the changes. Follow these steps to make edits and changes to all user information. You can also use this process to edit class information at the Classes page. Please visit our website for more information and resources about provisioning and using Wixie in your classrooms.